So how to hard reset or factory data reset on your Samsung Galaxy F05? I will show you the two different way. First way is go to setting, open about us, press on select reset, then you can see the factory data reset option. Now press on reset. Now enter your pattern, press on delete all. Now you have to enter your current Samsung account password. So enter your current password, and if you forget your current password, you can follow my second method. The second method is you have to use a data cable, and you have to connect your mobile with your computer or laptop. First time turn off your mobile and insert your data cable, and once you see the charging animation, then you have to press on power button and volume up button, press and hold together, and once you see the Samsung logo, then you have to release your hand from power button and keep holding the volume up button and keep holding, and then you can see the option. Now we have to select factory reset, select factory data reset. Now it's now working, formatting. You have to wait. Yeah, data wipe is complete. Now simply turn off your mobile, turn off. Now you have to turn on your phone, release your data cable from your phone. Now press and hold the power button. Your phone now start. Now simply you have to set up your phone. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you.